back to my channel. Today we're making a surprise live.
Not a surprise live.
We're going to do a unboxing
Unboxing of what?
slime.
Nope.
Unboxing a PLAYSET.
You don't know what we're unboxing today? It's a surprise unboxing day. Are you excited? No! Are you excited?
Yeah!
I'm gonna show you our surprise toy unboxing. Are you excited?
Yeah!
Close your eyes. No picking. Ta-da!
It's actually funny. Do this.
Wait a minute. There's more.
Wow!
What's her name?
Quinto.
What? Crypture? What a name.
My hair in the back.
There's no hair.
Ah.
Okay, can you open it?
Yeah, I don't know. I can't.
Kuya will help you. Kuya, help.
Ah! Just hide me.
Are you happy?
Yes. And we have to put this on it.
What's that? It's a tea party.
Party.
Tea party toy box.
Party toy.
It has 4 saucers,
Yeah.
4 spoons,
Yeah.
a teapot,
Yeah.
and cups.
Wait up.
And 2 bottles and assorted food boxes down there. Okay, open it. Wow, what's inside?
Wow, it's still not yet done.
It's not yet that. Oopsie.
Oopsie. Oopsie, got
You need to get everything together. Okay,
So we got these shoes. So
you got the shoes.
let's wear it on. Ouch. Ouch. Wow. These look so pretty enough.
Really?
Yeah.
How about her hair? I think you need to fix her hair.
What?
She's bald. She's bald. She's bald. Alright. She's a girl, right?
Yeah.
So you should use she. She is bald.
Ah.
Okay, fix it.
Ah.
Do you need help?
Yes.
Kuya, can you help her?
Ah. What's happening? We need that trunks. We have a bag.
Okay, you have, how many bags do you have?
1,
1 bag and how many dresses?
3.
No, I think it's a pair. 1 in front and 1 for the back. 1 pink dress and 1 blue dress. Where's the other part of the blue dress? I think it's fly away when you opened it. Okay.
Let's do the tea party.
Okay, first you need to assemble the clothes together. Put the clothes together.
Why?
Because she's naked. Look! Oh no, she's naked. You can put clothes on.
How to put it on?
You put it on her. Kuya, can you put the box down first? Okay, put the clothes, Kuya. Can you help her put the clothes on?
Help me. They even have a bag and have a bag. This is so cute. You can fit S inside there. But you can just do like this.
Okay, put the bag on her hand. Oh, it falls down.
It falls down. It's okay. He can still use it. That's
I think you need to put the arm higher. Like that. Well done. Can you see her?
yeah.
Face me. Ooh, so pretty.
And also,
Now she's ready to go to a tea party.
what do you need to see?
Oh, she needs a shoe.
So so he can go in the ground.
In the floor?
In that ground. So he's going to use the blue car.
She's going to use the blue car? Oh, that's why. Okay. Now, can you put her aside? And the dresses so we can open the tea party box?
Kuya, let me help me. We're here. And that's blue car. We're here in the tea set. Let's go open it. My bag folded off. My bag folded off.
Now, we're gonna open and assemble the tea party box.
And then one milk.
Okay, Kuya, open the box.
Milk. We have green eyes and blue eyes and white and black.
What's the color of her shoes?
Red.
Red, like your Kuya. Kuya
We
red.
have a straight red.
Let's try this red. Okay, now open it.
Fill it up.
First, we need to assemble the push cart. Yep, Kuya will help you assemble the push cart.
Let's open it.
We will open that after we assemble the push cart. Okay.
Two ones. Send the hole. Then
Assemble the push cart.
send the push card. And then assemble the upright.
Good job, Kuya.
Assemble the downlight. Thanks, Kuya. You're a nice helper.
Thanks, Kuya. You're a nice helper. Now, Kuya's putting the handle of the cart.
And cereals, kind of cereals. They have cookies here. They have cereal cups. They have lava cups. They have water. We got milk. We have to fill the water up.
Yep.
We have milk. We have polio. We have tropical. And we have strawberry cake. Really? Yeah.
Yum.
Let's open it.
Kuya's almost done putting the handle.
Look at me. I have a hat.
What?
A cricket hat.
Cereal hat.
Yes.
Now,
I have a hat.
Kuya's putting the top part of
Kuya.
the push cart. We're
I
good.
think I will lay down and take rest.
Now we're going to have a tea party.
No, don't do it on me. No, don't put it on me. I'll grab again. Howie, 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 yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah.
One teapot. Can you show me the teapot?
And what's inside on it? Nothing.
Okay, that's the teapot.
Why we have to fill the teapot up?
We can pretend that it has a water or a tea.
But we have to fill it up.
Oh no, you're gonna make a
I'm
mess.
not gonna make it. It's only one.
Alright.
One free.
Okay, Kuya will put a little water on it.
Thank you, Kuya.
You have 4 saucers. Which one is the saucers?
Those.
The green ones are the saucers. 4 cups, 4 spoons, and a teapot.
We have this, and we have to fill this up.
Kuya, can you open the cereal?
Two. Because this don't have water or milk.
It's just a pretend milk.
Oh yeah.